can see here, this is a very good wallpaper application, and you can pretty much find any type of wallpaper. As you can see here, you have different section or categories as it relates to wallpaper. You have bird eye view wallpapers, you have animal wallpapers. If I put up on the animal or bird section here, you can see a lot of wallpaper as it relates to that. And I can as well go in the home section here and see other wallpapers as well, which I can use. If you do tap on the unlock option, you're going to need a pro subscription for some of these wallpapers. Some of them either gonna need to watch an ad or you're gonna need a pro subscription outright. So if I do tap on the get pro option here, you can see here the pro subscription as it relates to the wallpaper option. As you can see, a lot of things you'll be getting with the pro subscription, as you can see. Also the prices as it relates to your subscription. So they do offer a lifetime subscription, which is $20. So you can get that one if you just want to purchase it once. So that's really pretty much it for this application. Very, very good application as it relates to wallpapers. And yes, you can also get exclusive wallpapers as well. But you're going to need subscription, guys. So very, very good application as it relates to wallpapers. So if I missed anything as it relates to this application, do comment below. I would glad to help you out. See you in the next one.